世界，在美国、日本及东南亚一些国家得到传播。
Organizing the Qi field is Grandmaster Pang's great creation. Zhineng Qigong uses the method of organizing the Qi field to teach students to cure diseases and conduct scientific research. Theories were taught verbally, physically, and psychologically. Qigong teachers shared their ideas by combining Qi of the venue. The Qi became beneficial for treatment and for science. It broke away with the student-to-teacher model. It teaches and treats thousands of members. The organizing the Qi field method suits the era and achieves great efficiency. With dialectical materialism and historical materialism, Professor and Dr. Pang learned Qi theories of Taoism and Chinese medicine, as well as China's ideologies and Confucian theories, combined with modern science. He developed the theory of Hunyuan whole entity. It is based on the theories of Hunyuan Qi, which is before the formation of yin and yang, and 5 elements without division. Hunyuan Qi pervades everywhere in the whole universe, penetrates all materials, and can become the biochemical movement force and raw materials of all levels of substance. It is a new element undetected by modern science. Consciousness is the highest form of activities. Qigong means training your inner consciousness. Through the practice, you can obtain the understanding, mastering, mobilizing, and use the function of Qi's gathering, forming matter, and dispersing, forming Qi. The human body, Hunyuan Qi, has all the characteristics of human life activities. Thereby, bodily functions are enhanced when the body Hunyuan Qi becomes abundant. It treats illnesses and leads to good health and wisdom. Zhineng Qigong stays away from dialectical theories. Professor and Dr. Pang published 17 books for his Qigong theories. 4 million words of his Qigong teaching materials were written. He built theories for traditional and modern Qigong science. Theories of Zhineng Qigong won praise and leaders' attention. It stood out from hundreds of methods and was included in Chinese sports. It was the first to be included by China's Sports and Qigong Authority. More people accepted that Qigong is good for health and treatment, and medical miracles were achieved. The experiences could create a model of Qigong's treatment. Due to the scientific advancement and introduction of new medicine, medical costs became 10 or 100 times more expensive. This is a crisis faced by China and other countries. The society anticipates a cheaper and better way of treatment. Zhineng Qigong Hunyuan medical model was born to treat illnesses. The recovery center received over 200,000 patients in 10 years. Their illnesses saw no improvement after spending hefty costs. With a slim chance for survival, they visited the Huaxia Zhineng Qigong Recovery Center. Patients arrived at the center without the fear of a hospital visit. The instructors accepted patients like relatives. "You recover soon when you arrive here," they greeted the patients. Reciprocal goodwill and helpfulness is common at the center, and thus treated the illnesses.